today I have brought a new and amazing project for you. In that, I will tell you how you can earn money from the site. So, first of all, if you are new to our channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for the upcoming new videos. So, today project is the Dubai AI. So, today I will review this project. The future of powered market intelligence. Yes, Dubai AI is the most 2024 and is the gorgeous project in this. So, you can buy this Dubai token on these sites. So the future of AI powered market intelligence, the power of all division analysis tools providing investors with deep insight into their profit loop. Identify these trends, partners, and potential risk. You can must be check this at Dextrin, Redeem, and click on this apps Redeem. So you can must be click on Telegram. You can must be check this the verify on mail X Telegram option is 626 members and 280 online AI based crypto marketing intelligence platform. Join the AI revelations now. Yes, this is the next moonshot, next big project on this site. So this is our white paper. You can must be read this white paper. Tokenomics, how to buy. You can how to buy this token. Tokenomics is the total supply of Dubai is capped at 1 billion, ensuring a limited and scarce resource that supports long-term value and stability within our ecosystem. So the part is a percentage liquidity burn, 89% liquidity is burn, and the 4% marketing, 3% development, 4% to the team. So download this white paper also to click on the download tech and business plan, our deflationary strategy. You can must be read here our primary goals include profit token sales. So the Dubai token is will serve the payment currency within our platform, diving real ability the value of our ecosystem. So yeah, there is our deflationary strategy. We will burn tokens with 0.25% of that revenue dub a platform AI reducing the total supply of our coin. We aim to create definitely yes, this is the biggest revolution in the crypto world. So leverage AI for a competitive edge in finance. Like AI is widely used in the financial marketing with estimates suggesting 70 to 80%, or yeah, 70 to 80% of trading volume in USA. So US and US marketing teams market driving to the allows you thing trading. There is a best platform for trading how to buy this token. So you can copy this address here and you can uh, use this your phantom wallet. Download the phantom to install the phantom wallet. After then you can buy some Solana. Sol means Sol. So the buy the Dubai token, go to decentralized exchange, redeem and paste the Dubai contract address listed on website. So you can import this in your wallet. After then you can purchase this token. So you can see this is the swap rate, confirm the token, Dubai token. You can must be check here, I understand and confirm. You can must be connect your wallet, put your soul to the maximum, and you can get so Dubai token. So Sol and Dubai, you can must be check here trading monogram on the screen. Diagram is the screen is the Sol. So you can purchase the Dubai token from this Connect wallet. Our connect your MetaMask, Phantom wallet, Ethereum wallet. Sign in with also you Google. This is our today project. You can check here that this is a strong community building start now. So you can must be invest in this, earn in this, and you can read this by marketing intelligence and the best way to the predict of future in creating executive summary in today financial landscape. You know the information overload marketing volatility, the repair of digital assets. Yes, digital assets present both opportunities and challenges for individual and international investors, institutional investors. You can must be check here this information. Dubai token sample contract is here. You can must be copy this contract for it will help to buy this token. You can must be check here the solar scan supply 1 billion blockchain Solana published to 24 2024. Yes, this month. So type artificial intelligence big data that since financial marketing zero lab burning 100% mint disable freeze disable. There is some social media accounts I will provide in these links in my description. So you can click here, join these platforms, Telegram, X, and you can find there a coin sniper. The point is listed on the coin sniper. So this is our today video. Hope you like this video. Meet them next time. Thank you for watching. Right now buy this token and earn money to enjoy.